What is up guys, Tech Renders here. I hope you guys are doing well during the lockdown. Exciting day today. I have here OnePlus Nord AR Invite, the access to the world's first AR launch event. So let's get started. Here it is, let's take a look. So first impressions are really quite good. It looks really premium in hand as expected from OnePlus. The matte finish really stands out and the design also looks really appealing. I always wanted to attend launch events and conferences, and finally having an invite to the world's first AR launch event, it's kind of cool. I'm very interested. But for a rupees 99 invite, it's a very premium looking. It's a must buy for all OnePlus fans out there. Now the best thing about this is how it really opens and reveals the invite card to you. So this is pretty much the standard text, nothing special. I like this blue color of the particular AR invite card, which I'll show it to you in a moment. So this is how it looks like. Wow, this is like so nice. I can't tell anything about it yet. So let's scan the code and see what's in it for us. For this, you guys need to have a device that is AR compatible. So here I have with me Xiaomi's latest Note 8 Pro. You guys just need to go to the Play Store and search for the Google's AR app, which you can see that it's pretty much installed on this app already. It's Google Play Services for AR. After that, just go to your scanner app, which comes pre-installed by default on all the flagship devices of me. Then after scanning the code, it will ask you to redirect to the website. After allowing, it will take a few seconds, and after that you guys need to just render the new device. So wow, like this is so cool. It feels like I'm holding the latest OnePlus Nord in my hand. I can screenshot it and can share with the community. So that's pretty much it guys. When the event will go live on 21st of July, you will be able to capture the whole live AR event by scanning this code. I actually received lots of DMs on my Instagram regarding the compatibility issues that the people were facing for the devices that are currently not supporting the Google's AR. So for that, I have leave the links to the direct APKs of the app, especially the Nord APK and also the Google's AR services APK for you. So then you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Peace.